In the 1930s, Franklin Roosevelt wanted to create a memorial to commemorate Thomas Jefferson and his contribution to westward expansion. It took until after World War II to start the project, but in 1947, the Jefferson National Expansion Memorial Competition opened for architects to enter. This was an engineering challenge, with criteria and constraints. The entries were required to preserve the site of Old St. Louis, and architects were also asked to include recreational facilities, parking spaces, and a museum. Eero, a young architect with a passion for art and sculptures, entered the competition. When he described his entry, he said, "The major concern was to create a monument which would have a lasting effect and would be a landmark of our time. Neither an obelisk, nor a rectangular box, nor a dome seem right on this site for this purpose. But here, at the edge of the Mississippi River, a great arch did seem right." The judges unanimously voted Eero's design as the winner, describing it as relevant, beautiful, perhaps inspired would be the right word. To construct a freestanding monument in the shape of an arch, there are two major problems Eero had to solve. The first was its shape, and the second was the material he needed to use. Eero always knew he wanted to use stainless steel as his material, but the actual shape, length, and width of the arch were all modified after the contest. For this hour of code activity, you will use Scratch to see why math and science led Eero to use the catenary arch and stainless steel to build our gateway arch.